The homepage of your merchant console is the dashboard. The dashboard is your main source of information for system or maintenance updates, new software releases, and other merchant-related announcements. The dashboard allows you to choose which information you would like to see by enabling and disabling different widgets. To add or remove widgets, click on the puzzle icon on the upper right to access the drop-down menu. Click on the widgets you would like to enable or disable by toggling the on and off button. The Transactions widget shows a graphical summary of your total sales and voided transactions by day. The Newsfeed widget shows a digest of news related to the industry, our latest announcement, system or maintenance updates, and more. The Current Batch widget displays a graphical summary showing your total sales and total credits for the current batch. Enable the Simple Charge widget to have access to a minimal yet efficient form to run a simple charge transaction. The Clock widget allows you to view an analog or digital clock. To adjust the order of your widgets, click on the top bar of the widgets, then drag and drop it to the desired location.